Josh, I wanted to start with you. I wanted to ask you about this big news out in the campaign trail today. We saw this new poll in Iowa from the Des Moines Register, shows Trump ahead by a lot over Ron DeSantis and Nikki Haley. Nikki Haley now climbing into second place and challenging Ron DeSantis for that spot. How do you see the race in Iowa right now overall, just in the big picture, as we're, I think, less than 3 months before people will actually go and caucus on what will probably be a very cold night in Iowa?
Yeah, that poll by the sort of revered pollster in Iowa, Ann Seltzer, sort of indicates what we've seen throughout our reporting in the last few months, that Ron DeSantis has basically taken all of his proverbial eggs and put them in the Iowa basket. They're spending all their money, their resources there. They're moving staff out to the state. He says he's seeing every county. They're mocking Trump for not being there as much and for a series of verbal gaffes when he's made there. But none of it really seems to be reverberating yet. I mean, Trump has had a dominant lead in the state, just as he's had in national polls and other early states throughout of the last 4, 5, 6 months, and nothing really has changed that. If anything, it seems his deepening legal problems and 91 indictments against him in 4 different jurisdictions have only whetted primary voters more strongly towards him in the past few months. So that poll is sort of illuminating of what we have watched this primary be throughout the last few months, which is not much of a contest at all. I mean, some of the other candidates, DeSantis, Nikki Haley, say, they believe there's data and anecdotes on the ground and sort of what they feel on the ground that doesn't match the polling. But I must say, Republicans have been saying that about Trump since 2015, the ones who want to take him on and others, and it really is not that compelling of an argument anymore.